Actually, no blow, it was gone, bro. You can say blow up. It was up another, but by all means, I was gonna blow. Shit, part of made that hot in the end zone. Yeah, the bitch gotta blow. Better tell it to the car, had a dance to your heart. Yeah, nigga, I'ma blow that bitch. Long money, blowing strong. So that's all I know. All them blow things gone. Hit me, son, of blow. So I went to California. Sorry, California. I just want to blow the brain. Infatuated with all my shit. I just need them in my pain. Make me feel the power. Blow that money every hour. I got brick back on me right now.
I can buy a kilo. Put a Gucci scully on. Everything a little better. Stuff the cash in my dough. Blowing rats on bells. All the jewels I made. I need to go bell. All these songs I played. Know the mill, no bell. Blow the strongest though. Drink the strongest lean. When I hit the scene, I can see your Hexicone. Think I printed it up like a truck machine. Y'all niggas gay and trying to copy my team. I blow them bang. Like ceiling fans. They chasing space. They chasing like the Taliban. I'm free band. Like a million. My family. I got Benjamin. Talking a bunch of them. I got
got enough, read the bill of 100,000 plus. Bought a playground at the crib, my daughter played on that shit once. Got a safe filled up with dirty money like a leader. Got a tennis court, plotting cause it's waiting for Serena. I got brick back on me right now. Blood, party, rack stuff down there. Took 2 years off, to the raise my club. Worth 100 fucking million. Niggas can't keep up. What you making in a year? I blow it in a week. Just built a guest house, 3,000 square feet. Everything go to waste. Too much money in the way. Got a b-ball. Running like a leader. Got a tennis court. Rocking cause it's waiting for Serena. I got brick back on me right now. Running for the rack stuff down in my dynamite. Take a gram of cushion, roll it in a black. What I spent the thing is spent it in.
It's for boss bitches, for money making bitches. All my ladies, throw your hands in the air. I got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a fuck, the baddest bitch in the club right here. Yeah, go home. Like it when I drop it real low.
Load up. Blow that money like a candle. Big rock up. I got brick back on me right now. For the rack stuff down in my dynamite. Take a gram of cushion, roll it in a black. What I spent the thing is spent it in a mic. Yeah, blow that money like a candle. Blow that kush like a candle. Big money music. Blow that money like a candle. Blow. Hey, Jason, hands on the track.
What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the